guys, another quick thing I wanted to share with you is this wreath that I've made before, just tying fabric, strips of fabric onto the wreath and just tying a knot. I'm going to be adding something new to this wreath, just change it up a bit, giving a little makeover for Christmas, for my bedroom, to hang on my bedroom mirror above my dresser. I am just using fabric that I already had from Walmart, the black and white checked, and both burlap fabrics here that I've already tied on are from the Dollar Tree store. So I'm going to go ahead and keep tying them on like every other one, and I will show you the end result when I'm all done. Okay guys, I have another project to share with you today. I'm going to be taking these Hearth and Hand with Magnolia little little truck cutout cookie cutters that I got last year, and my mom had a really great idea. She tied a little tree on top of hers, so that's what I'm going to be doing to mine this year. I'm going to be tying these little trees that you can get. I bought these at Target Dollar Spot for $3 for a package of 6. I'm going to be using those, and then as well as this string to tie them on with. And this was just $1 from the Target Dollar Spot. And so let's go ahead and get started. I've got one done here already, and I'm going to be working on the other 5 little cookie cutters that I have. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, I have another quick little DIY project I wanted to share with you. I'm using this Choose Joy Today framed out picture that I already had, and I'm just adding some strips of fabric that I've already cut and measured and cut out, and I'm going to be applying this general purpose spray adhesive on it to attach the fabric to the glass. And you could also use ribbon if you wanted to, instead of using fabric for a project like this. But I'm going to be just using this fabric that I already had, and I'm going to just flip this over and get ready to get started on this. So here we go. Guys, another quick little project I want to share with you for Christmas. I bought this cute little spring, and it looks like a fall sunflower, and I found this at the thrift store for 99 cents, and I bought it with the intention of changing it. So what I'm going to be doing is just taking this off, taking the spring off here, and I'm going to be attaching the snowman head to it, which I got at Kirkland's this year. And last time I was there, they still had them and they were half off. So you might be able to still find them if you like this cute little guy. So I'm going to be attaching this and to the spring. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do it on this side or if I'm going to do it on this side. This side actually might fit better, but follow me as I work on this little guy. Okay, I went ahead and attached it just like they did with the sunflower, and poked a hole up through and just ran the spring up through, just like they had done with the sunflower. So that way I can take it off and put the sunflower back on if I wanted to, or attach something else if I want to change it up. I'm going to probably going to cut the little string off here because it was a Christmas ornament, so I may be cutting that off. And what I'm going to do next here is I've cut a strip of fabric that's from Walmart, and it's been going a long ways for different projects for me. So I'm going to just start cutting the ends just like a scarf would be, and I'm going to be using this for a scarf to put on our little snowman here. So I'll go ahead and do the other side now.